I'm calling from DNP. In this video, we'll cover the topic, repairing the Easy Share Wi-Fi card. If you're having issues connecting the camera to the console, first check that you are close enough to the console for good connection and the image transfers. If it simply won't connect, you may need to repair or repair the Wi-Fi card to the console. In order to do that, we'll use the card repair function on the console. This process will repair the card and remove all the old images from the card. To begin, remove the Wi-Fi card from the camera. Open the battery door and push the card in a bit to release the hatch. Check that the card you're using in this case is the Easy Share card. It appears on the SD card label. Insert the card into the provided SD card adapter and then plug it into the USB slot on the side of the console. You may see the adapter flash a few times as it's recognized. On the console, tap the maintenance button at the bottom, and then tap the SD card utility button. Near the bottom, notice that the display shows Easy Share. Press the repair button. You may see the adapter flash a few times. After a few seconds, you will see Wi-Fi card successfully repaired. Remove the adapter from the console, insert SD card back into the camera, push it in until it latches. Exit the maintenance screen by touching the back arrow at the top left to return to the home screen. Power up the camera to see the camera is paired to the console. In under a minute, the camera icon at the top right of the console screen will turn from red to green, and the console will chime and display a message, "Camera connected." Now you are ready to use the IDW520 system.